moment of truth. Wow! Wow! Hello guys, so today's video is about fridge organization and my haul and everything that we'll see in this video. Guys, this is our dania right here. When you move here, these are the kales, skuma kales. We have our garlic and ginger plus our pili chilies. Yes, garlic, ginger and pili. We have our papaya, whichever that you want to pronounce it. They are actually three. We have our pineapple. Yes, that's our pineapple. When you come into this sink, guys, these are Hershey's avocados. I love them. I've been craving them, but they are not ripe. I've been craving them like I don't even know. I've been craving them so much. We have our nyanya, which is tomatoes. We have our, this is our lemon, guys. We have our, what is this called, guys? Sandra. What is Sandra called in English? Please comment down below and tell me, because your girl is struggling and I don't have that time. And this is our orange as usual, so they are just different. You can see they are different, so different. Moving along, we have our red, yellow and green capsicum. This is the green capsicum. We have our green, red and yellow capsicum. And we have our apples, like we have like I don't know how many apples. We have those apples. And then this is our eggplant. Who doesn't know eggplant? And this is our, actually let me show you the big one because the small ones are in there. So this is our gourget, a big gourget, as you can see right there. Moving along, we have our bananas. They are ripe. Yes, they are ripe. We have our green beans as usual. We have our peas. I have to remove them from their shell. These are peas. We have our onions. We have our potatoes. And what are these called? No, mama ngwashe. Please educate me. What are these called? I don't want to say arrowroots. I'm not sure. Guys, just comment down below and tell me what you think these are. I've been craving them so much, but I think that's the end of my haul that I'm showing you guys. So let me start from here so that you can see everything again without me talking. So guys, this is my fridge. Oh my goodness. This is my fridge. Actually, it's so dirty. As you know, right now it's about to get really clean. So this is everything, like everything is just messed up. I am going to be wiping everything except these containers. These, not containers, the glasses and everything. I'm going to remove them and then I'm going to wash them. I'm going to wipe everything here, and I mean everything, and refill those bottle tops. So see you right after I am done all of that. I'm going to be showing you a clip just here and there, period and simple. I'm not going to be doing too much. If you want to see a detailed video of how I clean my refrigerator, just stop this video, go watch it, my fridge organization, and then come back. Thank you so much. Guys, everything is air drying. Now it's time for me to put them in their rightful containers, and then I'll show you how it looks. So this is the end product. Basically zinakauka too, that's it. Guys, have you written what these are called? Comment down below if you haven't. Comment, I want to see different answers in this. Or I just tell you guys, I know this is called tangerine. I know it's called tangerine, and now I'm giving you hints. Not even a hint, an answer. So that's tangerine. I don't want to say this one. Comment down below and tell me, please, please comment. Welcome. I see people watching me and they are not subscribed. I don't know what you're waiting for. And guys, today I'm going to be doing a very difficult video because it's been a long while before I took care of my house. I've been running up and down here and there. Like you've seen on my channel, I've not been at home lately, and my house is, I don't want to say bad, it's not bad, my house is okay, but it's dusty. My house is so dusty. Like I'm going to be showing you everything, like even on top of my oven, it's so dusty. So if you want to see all of that, just stay tuned for the whole video. Kama kawaida, subscribe and like and comment. Thank you for even clicking onto this video. Thank you even for liking and subscribing to those who have. And let's go into this video. Yeah. So guys, I have beans and they have been soaking for more than 24 hours. They were real small. They were actually here and now they have grown into size. I want to put them in the crock pot so that they can be boiling, and actually they are actually soft. They are soft. They are not hard. I have two small dishes right there, but as you can see, we have dust everywhere. Like, see, like dust is everywhere. I'm not sure if you can see my stove itself is dirty. Like, see, yo, see, Can you even see? I've not been taking care of this house, but I've not been here, and this is my living room. Everything is kind of okay in my living room. As you can see, like ikiwa hivi, nothing is so out of place. But as you can see here, when you look very, very closely, you'll see dust. See that? Dust. See? I can't write with my left. Dust. That's dust. Good, now you can see it. This is dust. Yo, this is dust. It's dust. And here I used to keep all of my utensils. I removed them because I found a glass which was broken because my baby girl was everywhere. And now I want to clear that place and put this ufa right there. And I would just want to wipe this area first, and then I'm going to sweep, then wash. I think that's it. I'll wipe even the chairs, by the way. Hi, Mama. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, this is how my stove is looking like. It's so bad. So bad. And I'm going to clean it. So bad.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. all I need are some better days. Cause I
Oh my goodness, my house is clean. As you can see, I even have so much space. But guys, I have a question. Do you think this area is supposed to be like that? Let me come close because I feel like it's empty. So I wanted to add some toys over there. Then I was like, let me keep it at bare minimum. So I just placed those two candles. Yes, those two candles right there, that bottle and the other one, because I noticed each time iko hapa kwa meza, we always remove it. Now, here are every toy that is in the chip room. Ebu guys mniambie kwenye niziweke, because I wanted to put them here and then haikuwa inaingiana because it was not looking classy. Ilikuwa tu inakaa, I don't know guys. I just love this area when inakaa right now. The only problem that I have is those toys, and I can't place them huku chini or here because my baby girl will take them, and they are so pretty dolls zenye akishika tu anararua, because that is what she does. But anyway, yeah guys, my house is clean. My house is clean. Oh my goodness, I always place this pillow down here so that when she is on top of the pillow, the place yenye anapenda kulalia ni hapa, ndio at least asishikwe na baridi. I don't know why she's even there. So this is the whole house. Now when you enter my kitchen, I washed the dishes, by the way. My sink is clean, my stove is clean, and I am boiling my beans. So this is my crock pot. I am boiling my beans right here. As you can see, I just need to give them like 2 hours so that they might get ready. And now I want to make pudding. So guys, these are the fruits that I'm taking today. We also have bananas, oranges, tangerine, and all of that, but hizi zinakaa kuharibika haraka. So I don't even think if I'm going to eat this papaya and this apple. I'm only going to, yeah guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness guys, you've seen me making plenty of time a drink with this thingy, and it's what I want to do right now because I don't feel like eating these fruits. I want to keep it in nizikule jioni after nimezitoa, because right now nimezitoa kwa fridge and they are cold. Just want them to relax. Nizikule zikiwa at room temperature. I don't want to eat them while they are cold. I just want them to calm down. But this one I'm going to make something. Oh my goodness, thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you've reached here, comment something or comment cake, and see you in the next one. Bye.